All right, folks. This is Moshe again coming to you from Moshas Reggae Lounge. I have a gentleman in the house. He's a little slow on the beach today. He was recommended from another friend of his that had the food yesterday. And he sent this gentleman here, so I made him the jerk chicken. So I want to get his reaction from what was told to him to see if it's the same. What's your name, brother?
Dylan.
Dylan. This is Dylan, folks. Dylan is going to tell you experience. I didn't tell him to say anything. This is the jerk. This is what's left. He's still working at it. All right. So Dylan, tell him. Just feel free and tell him your mind, whatever you feel.
Right. So I was told by a 59-year-old man, best chicken he's ever had in his life, and I figured I'd take him up on it. And down here in Sosua, I've been here for 3 weeks. One, by far best meal I've had in Sosua, and two,
wow,
chicken is juicy.
Wow,
the flavor.
Wow.
I don't even know how to describe it. I have to eat. And then I gotta sit back to really appreciate
man.
what I'm eating.
That's awesome.
This chicken is out of this world.
Wow, man. Thank you. Wow, that is so
100% recommended to everybody.
That's awesome. That's awesome recommendation, and I'm glad you liked it. Because when you asked me, you said you was told that the chicken was good. What was my reaction? I'm like, is that right? Because I don't like to push. I like the customer to speak. And folks, remember, I'm not a chef, right? I'm just doing it the way we do it in Jamaica. I see my mom did it. I never did this in America. So I want to thank Dylan, thank his friend for sending him over here.
Hey, this is good vibes here.
Good vibe, right? I
came here. Moshe, you took care of me.
Thank you, buddy.
This is
Thank you. And you found it.
I feel comfortable here.
Perfect.
I come here again anytime.
This is your home, brother. Anytime you want.
Hey, buddy.
That's how we do it in Jamaica. Out of many, one people saying, we don't deal with color in Jamaica. We deal with the heart.
Hey, buddy.
One love, my brother. One love. Peace. Yeah, folks. So that's Dylan. You know, he's telling you his experience. The other gentleman was equally excited. The gentleman told him this is the best chicken he ever tasted in his life. That's their word. He just didn't want to be on the camera. And like I said, I was the first Jamaican restaurant in this country. The first one in this country, 2011. And my reputation has always been the same because I cook from the heart. I cook the food fresh, okay, folks? But you have to wait. If you're willing to wait for the food, then believe me, you won't be disappointed, okay? And if you're in a rush or anything, I don't really want to cook like that. I want to cook when people relax, you're hungry. If you're dying, starving, then that's a different ball game. So, thank you guys for watching. And this is Moshe from Dominican Republic, from Moshas Reggae Lounge in the Dominican Republic. Thank you, guys.